If you can't install an app from the Google Play Store, try these fixes. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Next, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix minor glitches that might be preventing the installation. Make sure your device has enough storage space. Go to Settings, then find Storage option and free up space if needed by deleting unused apps or large files. If the problem persists, clear the Google Play Store cache and data. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management. Find Google Play Store in the list. Tap on it, then tap on Storage, then Clear Cache. Then try installing the app again. Also, check if your Google Play Store is updated. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, then Settings, About, and Update if available. Ensure that your device software is up to date. Go to Settings, find Software Update, and install any pending updates. If you are still unable to install the app, remove and re-add your Google account. Go to Settings, then find Accounts option, tap on Google, select your account, tap Remove, restart your phone, and then sign in again. And that's it. Hopefully, you can now install apps without issues. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.